Everybody wishes to get rich, but what if you find the key to getting wealthy quicker? Here we are with a list of things you need to do to get rich in just a month. Number 1. Develop habits and skills. The first habit you need to develop to become successful in any phase of life is not to stop learning. Learn and grow through every obstacle that comes your way. No matter how busy you are throughout the day, what makes you read a book before going to bed? Books that help you with self-improvement.
I just read and read and read. I probably read 5 to 6 hours a day. I don't read as fast now as when I was younger, but I read 5 daily newspapers. I read a fair number of magazines. I read 10Ks. I read annual reports, and I read a lot of other things too.
Success requires growth. Growth needs education, and education comes from reading on a daily basis. Nowadays, lifestyle has a harsh impact on your potential. Thus, adopting a healthy lifestyle is mandatory. Hard work requires energy, so be an early bird, exercise daily, and eat right.
As you do for self-care, so to take care of yourself and your personal life.
I like to work out every day.
Choosing the right company of people can positively impact your mindset. Get yourself distant from the people that don't have a progressive state or goals in life. When you have the right people who bring out the best in you, that's the time your growth begins. Also, never let the negativity around soak in your head. Tell yourself things like you can do this and you've got this once in a day. Corley wrote, "Adopting one rich habit has the effect of eliminating many poor habits." Number 2. Make money. The first step towards making money is getting yourself a job you love. Spend quality time with yourself. Find the things you are passionate about or fascinate you, and start your hustle to create a job you enjoy doing.
You can have a job, or you can have a career, or you can have a calling. And if you can somehow figure out how to have a calling, you have hit the jackpot, because that's the big deal.
You'll know your potential when your job is the same as your passion. The faster you can earn more money.
After much consideration, I took the less safe path to follow my passion, and I'm proud of that choice.
No matter through freelance work or a regular 9-to-5 job, you will become wealthy quicker. For this, you are not compelled to look for another job. You simply need to start a side hustle or two to help you generate extra money, being at home or when you have excess time. Creating a passive income is another way of generating additional money.
So there's 3 kinds of income: earned, portfolio, passive.
You will also want to figure out those consistent money-generating tasks that require a lesser amount of your time than a full-time job. These are classified as passive income. Some suggestions for passive income can differ from starting a business to online blogging.
If I'm a doctor or a programmer, that's earned income because I'm working for it. Portfolio income, capital gains.
Yeah.
But passive income, which is cash flow, is never taxed.
Discovering and establishing a passive income source may take some time, but you will make money even while you're asleep once you have passive income, and that's for sure. Number 3. Manage your finances. The 3 essential parameters to manage your finances are saving, investment, and avoiding debts. Keep your plans ready and manage your finances accordingly to be on the safer side. Successful people write down their goals for the day, week, and month, and they can tell you where they see themselves in the next 10 years. The thing is that you don't necessarily have to be wealthy to make a plan. If you want to be wealthy, you must have a strategy. Budgeting and saving can even help any individual with a minimal income get rich. You may never be rich if you do not keep track of your spending, regardless of how much money you make. You'll need to see where all your money is going and if you can cut some of them back. An important skill to learn in the process is how to make money and do the job instead. The output you will get in the end totally depends upon how you use the money to make investments. Be smart with your investments. Being in debt overshadows your actual potential to make money. Once you start generating a good amount of revenue, start paying off your debts, starting with the most expensive one and with the highest rate of interest, while saving side by side. When you have paid off your debts, you will have money to invest in the things you enjoy. When you've paid off your debts, you can freely invest in what you love. So this brings us to the end of this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.